Hey guys, Brigitte with San Diego Seed Company, and I want to show you my flax. Flax is such a neat plant, and I feel like it really isn't appreciated as much as it should be for how easy it grows and all the great things that you get from flax. So flax is actually the same plant that they use to make linen. The fibers of the plant are actually woven to make linen fabric. And then it also gives you these beautiful purple blue flowers, which are just, they look stunning when they're all open. And lastly, the reason why we love them is it gives you flaxseed. So this is the same flaxseed that you eat, that you put in your cereal, you put in your breads, in your granola bars. And so we grow it both for seed production to replant, and also because we harvest the seeds to use in our kitchen. You can see how easily those seed pods break open. Look at that. So super simple. Now, one of the tips we have for growing flax is that you can actually get them to bloom more than once. So what we'll do is we grow them in these pretty little rows, we let them dry, and then we go through with our loppers and we lop them down with about 3 or 4 inches of stem left, and they will actually regrow a second set of beautiful blooms in the spring. So we planted these, we planted these in September. We've already had our big show of blooms. We've got a few left, and in about a month or so, we'll cut these all down for seed, and then come spring, we'll get another gorgeous round of blooms that we can enjoy. The birds love them. If you have chickens, oh, I recommend this plant. The chickens are so funny. They love to bite at the little heads and eat the seeds. They know that those seeds have a high oil content and they're really good for them. So it's just an all-around great plant, easy to grow, and it grows wonderfully here in zones 9 and 10.